Hello, dear learners. Namaskar. Here we are going to talk about commonly used conjunct verbs and idioms in Assamese. While learning Assamese language, it is incomplete until and unless one learns conjunct verbs. Before we dive into the core part of the discussion on the topic, let me define the term conjunct verb for you. A conjunct verb is a restricted collocation of a noun or an adjective and a light verb which acts as a single meaning unit referring to a single action. For example, lokpa means meet. Here, lok means friend or accompaniment, which is a noun, and pa means find or get, which is a verb. Let's frame a sentence using it. Moi taik rastat lok paisilu. That means I met her on the way. In another example of conjunct verbs, bhal pa, which means love, bhal means good, which is an adjective, and pa means find or get, which is a verb. Using this conjunct verb, we can have the sentence Maye muk bhal pai. That means my mother loves me. The area of conjunct verbs in Assamese is very comprehensive. However, this video gives a brief introduction to the conjunct verbs in Assamese, particularly the ones used in daily conversations. So, this lesson aims at learning conjunct verbs commonly used in Assamese. It includes common idioms in the structure of conjunct verbs such as kande, which literally translates into English as give one's ear. Its intended meaning is listen attentively. So this lesson also aims at introducing the Assamese idioms that appear in the structure of a conjunct verb. I'm sure you are wondering what is a light verb. Please note, a light verb is used in a fixed combination with a noun or adjective with a specific limited meaning that doesn't necessarily follow the verb's usual sense. Otto Jespersen is credited with coining the term light verb to describe verbs with vacant semantic content such as have, take, or give in phrases like have a look, take a break, or give a call. These were discussed in his work A Modern English Grammar on Historical Principles, Part 6, Morphology. Let's go through some commonly used Assamese conjunct verbs which are combinations of a noun and a verb such as harpa, which means awake, laj lak, which means get insulted, kothapat, which means talk, gompa, which means know, protigyakor, which means promise, sikarkor means confess or admit, piahlak, which means become thirsty, bomikor means vomit, khuskar means walk, kamkor means do, thondhar means green up, hohaikor means help, khyama means forgive, upodekh de means advice, byam means exercise, borokhun de means rain, opekha means wait, hekh means finish, akbar means progress, honman means respect, Anurodh means request, Uttor de means reply or answer. Gathi lag means choke. Ga dhu means bathe. Akhirbat kor means bless. Khong ut means become angry. Suma kha means kiss. Ukha lo means breathe. Hisab kor means calculate. Byabohar kor means use, and so on. We can make some everyday sentences using these conjunct verbs. Moi সদায় ৰাতিপুৱা 6 বজাত সাৰ পাওঁ. That means I always wake up at 6 a.m. Here, সদায় means always. মই সদায় ৰাতিপুৱা 6 বজাত সাৰ পাওঁ. লাজ নকৰিবা আহা. Don't be shy. Come on. লাজ নকৰিবা আহা. কথা পাতো আহক. That means let's talk. কথা পাতো আহক. তেওঁ আহিব বুলি মই গম পাইছিলোঁ. That means I knew that she or he would come. তেওঁ আহিব বুলি মই গম পাইছিলোঁ. অমলে ভগৱানৰ ভৰি চুই প্ৰতিজ্ঞা কৰিছিল. Which means Omol touched the feet of the Lord and made a vow. Omole ভগৱানৰ ভৰি চুই প্ৰতিজ্ঞা কৰিছিল. তেওঁ নিজৰ ভুল স্বীকাৰ কৰিছিল. That means he or she admitted his or her mistake. তেওঁ নিজৰ ভুল স্বীকাৰ কৰিছিল. Here, ভুল means mistake. মোৰ অলপ পিয়াহ লাগিছে. Which means I'm a little thirsty. মোৰ অলপ পিয়াহ লাগিছে. মই 3 বাৰ বমি কৰিলোঁ. That means I vomited 3 times. Here, 3 বাৰ means twice or 3 times. মই 3 বাৰ বমি কৰিলোঁ. মই খোজ কাঢ়ি যাম. Which means I will go walking. মই খোজ কাঢ়ি যাম. আমি এটা কাম কৰিম. That literally means we will do one task. আমি এটা কাম কৰিম. মোক সহায় কৰাৰ বাবে ধন্যবাদ. That means thank you for helping me. Here, babe is equivalent to the English preposition for. মোক সহায় কৰাৰ বাবে ধন্যবাদ. শিক্ষাগুৰুৱে মোক ক্ষমা কৰিছিল. That means the teacher forgave me. শিক্ষাগুৰুৱে মোক ক্ষমা কৰিছিল. Here, শিক্ষাগুৰু means teacher. দেউতাই আমাক ভালকৈ পঢ়িবলৈ উপদেশ দিছিল. That means our father advised us to study well. দেউতাই আমাক ভালকৈ পঢ়িবলৈ উপদেশ দিছিল. মই দৈনিক 2 ঘণ্টাকৈ ব্যায়াম কৰোঁ. Which means I exercise daily for 2 hours. মই দৈনিক 2 ঘণ্টাকৈ ব্যায়াম কৰোঁ. Here, দৈনিক means daily. এতিয়া বৰষুণ দি আছে. That means it's raining now. এতিয়া বৰষুণ দি আছে. Here, এতিয়া means now. মই তুমি অহালৈ অপেক্ষা কৰিম. That means I will wait until you come. মই তুমি অহালৈ অপেক্ষা কৰিম. কাম শেষ কৰি আহক. Which means finish your work before you come. কাম শেষ কৰি আহক. জীৱনত আগবাঢ়িব লাগিব. That means you have to move forward in life. জীৱনত আগবাঢ়িব লাগিব. Here, জীৱন means life. আমি আমাৰ বয়োজ্যেষ্ঠসকলক সন্মান কৰোঁ. Which means we respect our elders. আমি আমাৰ বয়োজ্যেষ্ঠসকলক সন্মান কৰোঁ. Here, বয়োজ্যেষ্ঠ means elderly. মই আপোনাক অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ. That means I request you. মই আপোনাক অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ. সি উত্তৰ দিব নোৱাৰিলে. That means he couldn't answer. সি উত্তৰ দিব নোৱাৰিলে. Here, নোৱাৰ is the negative form of the verb পাৰ, which means can. খাই থাকোঁতে তেওঁৰ গাঁঠি লাগিছিল, which means he choked while eating. খাই থাকোঁতে তেওঁৰ গাঁঠি লাগিছিল. মই গা ধুব লাগিব, which means I have to take a bath. মই গা ধুব লাগিব. আমাক আশীৰ্বাদ কৰিব, that means please bless us. আমাক আশীৰ্বাদ কৰিব. তাৰ খং উঠিছিল, that means he was angry. তাৰ খং উঠিছিল. আইতাকে তাইৰ কপালত চুমা খাইছিল, which means her grandmother kissed her on the forehead. আইতাকে তাইৰ কপালত চুমা খাইছিল. Here, আইতা means grandmother and কপাল means forehead. আমি ইয়াত ভালদৰে উশাহ ল'ব পাৰোঁ, which means we can breathe well here. আমি ইয়াত ভালদৰে উশাহ ল'ব পাৰোঁ. মই হিচাপ কৰি কাইলৈ টকাখিনি দিম. That means I will calculate and pay the money tomorrow. মই হিচাপ কৰি কাইলৈ টকাখিনি দিম. Here, কাইলৈ means tomorrow. ইয়াক ভাল কামত ব্যৱহাৰ কৰক, which literally means use it in good work. That is equivalent to put it to good use. ইয়াক ভাল কামত ব্যৱহাৰ কৰক. Conjunct verbs of the structure noun plus light verb are more in number than those of the structure adjective plus light verb. Let's go through some commonly used Assamese conjunct verbs which are combinations of an adjective and a verb, such as thio ho means stand. Thio means straight and ho means be or become. Bea pa means dislike. Here, bea means bad and pa is equivalent to find or get. Dangor ho means grew or become big. Here, dangor means big and ho means be or become. Hokot ho means become fat. Here, hokot means fat and ho means be or become. Suti kor means shorten. Here, suti means short and kor means do or make, and so on. Let's make some everyday sentences using these conjunct verbs. তেওঁ থিয় হৈ আছিল, which means she or he was standing. তেওঁ থিয় হৈ আছিল. বেয়া নাপাব, that means don't mind. বেয়া নাপাব. ল'ৰাজন ডাঙৰ হ'ল, that means the boy has grown up. ল'ৰাজন ডাঙৰ হ'ল. আপুনি শকত হৈছে, which means you are putting on weight. আপুনি শকত হৈছে. Here, শকত means fat. এই কামিজটো ছুটি কৰি দিয়ক. That means please shorten this shirt. এই কামিজটো ছুটি কৰি দিয়ক. Here, কামিজ means shirt. The conjunct verbs we have discussed so far are literal conjunct verbs which have meanings that can be understood by combining the standard definitions of the individual words as their meanings are transparent and compositional. Idiomatic conjunct verbs, on the other hand, have figurative meanings that cannot be deduced from the individual words alone. The combinations of the individual words create new, non-obvious meanings that must be learned as single lexical units. In the next section, we will learn common idioms in the structure of conjunct verbs such as kopal phul, which literally means forehead blossom. Kopal means forehead and phul means blossom. But its intended meaning is become fortunate. Kankor means pay attention, but it literally means ear do, as kan means ear and kor means do. Hat har means get rid of. Hat means hand and har is equivalent to avoid. Matha mar, which literally means hit the head, but its intended meaning is think or try. Hat utha means beat someone. Hat means hand and utha means lift. Together they give the literal meaning lift hand. Mon de literally means give mind, as mon means mind and de means give, but its idiomatic meaning is hit. Nak cut means ruin one's respect. Literally it means cut the nose. Here nak means nose and cut means cut, and so on. Idiomatic conjunct verbs are usually of noun plus light verb pattern, and they are parts of the most original forms of a language. They are very rich in expressing exact thoughts. Let's go through some daily conversation sentences where we can find idiomatic conjunct verbs. Mur ialoi ahi kopal fulise. That means I am fortunate to be here. Mur ialoi ahi kopal fulise. Mur kothaloi kan kor, which means listen to me. Mur kothaloi kan kor. Here, mur kotha literally means my words. Durghotonatut teo kunumote hat harisil. That means he managed to escape the accident. Here, durghotona means accident and kunumote means barely. Durghotonatut teo kunumote hat harisil. Matha mari samossatu samadhan kora. That means think and solve the problem. Matha mari samossatu samadhan kora. Here, samossa means problem and samadhan means solution. Another conjunct verb in this sentence is samadhan kor, which means solve. Misa kotha kole dadar hunkale hat uthe. That means when someone tells a lie, my elder brother immediately beats them. Misa kotha kole dadar hunkale hat uthe. Here, misa kotha means lie and hunkale means immediately or soon. Mon di onkotu kora, which means do the math attentively. Mon di onkotu kora. Here, onko means math. Raghue beya kam kori homajot nijor nak katile. That means Raghu ruined his reputation in society by doing bad things. Raghue beya kam kori homajot nijor nak katile. Here, homaj means society. So, in this lesson, we have learned some important Assamese conjunct verbs and common idioms used in everyday conversation. Keep practicing the verbs we covered in the course and try to use them in your daily speech. I will see you in our upcoming classes with more important lessons. Stay well and let's keep the environment plastic free. Dhanyabad.